Hi there, students. Stacked against. And I guess it's a phrasal verb to stack against. So if you say the odds are stacked against you, this means you're very unlikely to succeed. That the all of the factors, or some particular factors, are not favourable towards you. So in the casino, the odds are stacked against you winning. Yeah. It means that it's more likely the casino is going to win than you are going to win. Everything seems stacked against us. Everything is not supporting us. So maybe the weather is bad and lots of people got sick and there was terrible traffic, and that's why there were very few people at the demonstration. The odds, or everything, seemed stacked against us. Okay, so if something is stacked against you, things are unfair, and this unfairness will probably cause you to fail. So the evidence was stacked against him. Yeah, it was clearly against him. The cards are stacked against you. A situation where you are at a disadvantage. You face difficult circumstances compared to other people. And often because the system itself is unfair. Okay, so yes, if you've got a posh accent, very often it's easier to get a job as a stockbroker or a lawyer. If you've got a working class British accent, then the odds are stacked against you. It's unfair, but it's more difficult for you to get a job because of many people have a stereotype bias against a certain accents. Okay, so a situation where one group faces difficult circumstances, that it's a problem. The deck of cards is stacked against you. Yeah, this is something that's arranged so that the results are not fair, or they're not equal. Something that makes it more difficult for one side to win. Let's see, to stack means to put things one on top of the other. So a stack of papers, a stack of boxes, a pile, a high tower. And to stack means to put things in a pile. So if things are stacked against you, they are put against you so that it makes you more difficult. The critics say that having so many bank representatives in the group stacks the group against normal general members of the public. It stacks it stacks things in favour of banking and money. Okay, so let's see, if you stack something against, literally you build and lean a pile of something against it. There were boxes stacked against the fire door. But then this to stack something against someone, to manipulate a situation, to manipulate circumstances, to make it harder for someone to succeed. Normally, the deck of cards, the pack of cards, the odds, and normally as well, it's used in the passive. Something is stacked against somebody. So in a court, the courts are stacked against the poor. If you've got lots of money, then you can pay for expensive lawyers. It doesn't mean you can't win if you're poor. It just means it's more difficult, and it's unfairly more difficult. Okay, so yeah, the person competing with me for this job is the managing director's nephew. So the odds are stacked against me getting it. Yeah. I think many types of business are stacked in favor of large corporations, and they are stacked against small businesses. Okay, so to stack against. Formality, it's stacked against you. I think I would give this a 4 in formality. Use it informally. Use it in a semi-formal conversation. Semi-formal writing, okay, but I wouldn't use it in anything more than that. And then to stack is to put in a pile. Okay. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. It's stacked against you. The cards are stacked against you. The odds are stacked against you. It's unfair, and it's likely that you're not going to win.